Good morning, all of you. Let us start. Let us continue the topic. We have started the population dynasty. That is only we will start. We are going to continue. Yesterday we have seen the composition of a population. Composition of a population. We also have seen that the young dependent and the elderly dependents. Now the next thing in the composition of population comes about is age structure. For you will understand more clearly of the age structure if you see about the population pyramid. Population pyramid means in the region it can be expressed as a various age group and the gender of the population. Various age group means the working population, the young population and the elderly population. The three things comes in the age group. Age group means the children, the working population and the elderly people, the old people. So it also includes the gender. Gender means the male and female, how much male is working and how much female is working. So that is a pyramid, population pyramid. If you see here, it was given at the left side it was male and the right side it was a female. This shows also the ages also mentioned. So it explains about how the ratio of the man and the woman and also the age of the working population of the country. Now the working population, if the number of the working population in the country is more, naturally they will contribute more for the development of the country. So the population in the India, if you see, in the recent days, because of the medical facilities, because of the many other various aspects, the population, the children also, the population of the children increases, and also because of the health facilities the elderly people also increases. Because of this, what happened, the population all of a sudden the population was very much increased in the India. Now the next thing comes about the sex composition or the sex ratio in the population. It means the ratio between the male and female in the population. How much numbers are there of the male and female? Here one very nice pyramid was given of the two countries of India and Japan. If you see, the in the pyramid you see that the female in the India is less than the male, while in the Japan if you see the ratio is almost same. So it means the composition, the contribution of a male and female is almost equal in the Japan, but in the India the composition of male and female is not balanced, not equal. So what happened, the contribution of male is more than in the India. It means in the population males are more than the female. The pyramid tells about that only. Now the next topic is a urban and rural composition. The population which lives in the rural area, the population which lives in the urban area. The rural area means the village side, urban area is a city side. Both the population having the different lifestyle, the rural people having the different type of a lifestyle, while the rural region having the different lifestyle. And not only the lifestyle, but they having the different of their livelihood, social, economical conditions, economical activity are also different of the rural area and of the urban area. In the third, in criteria of the differential of the ruling and urban is in this also the economic activity in the rural urban composition we see. In the village side mainly the people will engage in the primary activities like farming, and in the urban area they mainly engage in the non-primary activity such as a trade, manufacturing, banking and so on. The rural urban difference in the Canada and the Western European uh, countries like Finland are just the opposite of those countries of the African Asian countries like Zimbabwe, Nepal and India. In the Western countries, the male numbers are more in the rural area and the female numbers are less in the rural area. It means in the rural area, in the agriculture, the more male are working in the developed countries like the Canada and the Europe. while the females work less in the farm or in the in the farming. But in the India, in the developing country, the women are more work in the farm than the males. So here in the developing country like the India, the more population of women will be more in the village and less of the male, while in the developed country, the more woman population will be in the city. So this composition also changes for the developed and the developing country. In country like India, female population is more in the village, very in the city area, in the village area, the composition of women are less because the working conditions, everyone is not getting job, so the working composition is less of the women. So more people, more women will be there in the village side in the India compared to the developed country. The economical development also differ in the rural area. The people are different in the urban area. The activities are different, and the stage of the development is also different in the village side and in the rural side. So this is all about your chapter. Question answers we will do next time. But before the question answers, see at the last in your book, the vocabulary was given, important terms were given. You should learn all these terms. If you learn this page, what will happen? It will help you to find out the filling the blanks, true, false, match the following. Whatever is given at the back as an exercise, when you learn this vocabulary and the summary, it will very easy for you to going through all this question answer. So before we do question answer, I expect to do this all this vocabulary and the summary. You remember it, learn it properly so that we can do easily our question answer. Now in the next class we will do the question. First of all, we'll do filling the blanks, exercises we'll do, and after that we will do question answers.